professional. Put it out to the universe. I am a professional. I am a bad bitch. I know what I'm doing. Hey yo guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Shay Cray for those of you who don't know, and we're back with another real-time unboxing and review video. Now what I've got to open up with you guys today is actually a pair of Air Force Ones, and I think these are dubbed the colour of the months. I also believe that these are kind of to pay homage to that original 1982 Air Force One, so I feel like it's gonna be like as much of the OGs as you finna get, really. I'm not expecting too much of a change up, but I'm expecting there to be some quality on this pair. Now, if you do watch this video and then think, right, I actually like those, you are in luck, because they're currently sitting on the sneakers app in all sizes, and that is going from a 3.5 right up to a 16. So let's go ahead and jump into this. So like I said, we only mess with real-time reviews on this channel, and for the eagle eyes, you will have spotted that this box has actually already been opened. That's because these are not a personal pair to me. These are actually a pair of my boy's kicks, and he just kind of opened up the box, peeped in them yesterday, and then was like, yeah, you can go do a review on these. So that's kind of what we've got to deal with. Like I've said, I'm hoping the quality on these are going to be there. Otherwise, I don't know what Nike's doing, if I'm honest. So we finna open these up. Okay, they're gone. I mean, they're gone OG, I guess. It's a bit basic, but it's OG. I don't know when I've last seen this box, but I guess I ain't really picked up men's Air Forces really in a long time. I normally get the kids one, so I just get dubbed with the shit box. But it's a little retro box. I mean, I'm pretty sure you've all seen this. It's kind of a classic. Of course, it's got that cardboard, orange stripe. Nike could just do it. Like I said, these aren't a personal pair, so these are a men's 8, if you can see there at the front. But the box is the box. It's a bit dead. I was expecting more. Like, this is like anniversary edition, though. Like, I know we're going to get some extras inside the box, but I thought, I don't know. But again, they have gone retro with it. It's a bit of an old school design. I don't know. Oh, shit. Oh, no, that's nice detailing. That's nice detailing there. I'm rating that Nike. Okay, so let me show you this, because this feels very nostalgic. Instead of the generic, like, AF1 white paper you normally get in there, we do have this, and this is a vibe. We've got that OG Nike logo on here. We've got all these beachy waves, and it's all different. We've got air, we've got a... I'm liking the tissue paper. That's a nice little touch. Alright, so they're double wrapped. We have that paper, and then we just got boring white paper underneath. Oh, jeez, you know what, yeah. My man's gonna cuss me, but these look huge. I'm just not used to get kicks in this size. Jeez. You can see the quality here, then. I can't get over how big these kicks are. Man's gonna roast me. You ain't got big feet. You ain't got big feet. I just got little feet. Oh, damn. Oh, damn. Got, oh, okay. Listen, I'll allow it, because this was like, I don't know, what was it, like 20, 30 quid extra more than like your generic Air Force, and I was like, right, the quality there's got to be on, and you've got to have some tidy little bits there, and they actually do. So I normally go ahead and just start with the upper, but I'm actually going to switch it up and start with the extras. So what, because this is generic Air Force, I'm going to say that and then I'm explaining it, but for all intents and purposes, it's a triple white Air Force, right? But what we've got here, I'm going to get onto the little toothbrush later. We have this swing tag that is in theme with that paper we saw on the inside. We've got the Air Force One that shows a little bit of kind of the history and explains the kick itself. So I feel like this is the best place we could possibly start. So it just says, a shoe so revolutionary, the world has never been the same. Obviously, because these are the OGs, the 1982s. And then it goes and breaks down exactly what this kick is. So we have a sock liner that is molded for comfort. We have a full grain leather upper for a premium feel and added durability, which is blessed, because in Air Forces, you know you need that durability, because you don't want that creasing to be like 5 minutes into you wearing it. So I feel like with the better leather, it might, I don't know how good it's going to be. It's still an Air Force, but I feel like it's going to just edge it there a little bit. We've got that variable width lacing system, so you can adjust for however you like your fit. We then have that Nike Air Cup sole. It's a rubber cup sole that houses an airbag embedded inside the midsole for that ultimate underfoot comfort, along with this outsole that has extra resistance on it, because these kicks were a basketball shoe. They were, I can't even believe they were a basketball shoe. The creasing would be too much for me, but that's what it was. One other extra then that you are going to get which you're going to be gassed about if you're not like me and enjoy cleaning your kicks. You're going to get this little toothbrush that says since 1982 with the tick swoosh detailing. Do you know what, yeah? The toothbrush is a little swaggy. I love how they've kept everything just clean on this. They've obviously triple whited everything up, but even the writing, it's just an OG. It's like a throwback. It's like a time capsule piece, and I actually rate it. The leather on it though, you can tell the quality 100% better than your generic Air Force. It is thicker, it looks more durable, it just pops more. Like even on the tick, like it looks puffier, it looks raised, and you can just tell they haven't actually skimped. They have put the most on this. So just off the bat, I've noticed a few little subtle flexes, a few little, you know, little differences and changes in this kick. So on the back of the heel tab, we do have that Nike Air again in all that white stitching. They've just left it all icy, which I rate. On the insoles, we also just it's all white again with the kind of OG Nike Air symbol in there. And then coming up towards the tongue, we do have that tag that says Nike Air Air Force 1, but slowly underneath it, just kind of peeking through in this gold kind of shimmery writing. It's all bougie. I don't even know, it's not calligraphy. It's bougie anyway, do you know what I'm saying? It's bougie. It says anniversary edition, and that's kind of the only little peep of color we have on here. You know, we've got the triple white, we've got that regular white midsole, and even the outer sole. It's just your generic Air Force 1. I thought they might have done something on the bottom, at least, you know, put the anniversary thing on here or something, but no, they've literally just kept it OG'd up, and I kind of respect it. They've just patterned up, you know, the Air Force. They've done the bits that, you know, up the quality and hopefully up the durability, and it's just nice. I think one thing I would have liked on top of like what they've done, I appreciate they've kept it simple and basic. I think it would have been nice to have something on these lace ends, like just a little bit of writing or something, even if it was just again the Nike 1982 or something. I feel like it would have, I don't know, I feel like it just would have been nice. Even though the quality is there and I keep harping about the quality, something just wants me to elevate it a little bit more than just this gold writing on the tongue. So when it comes to sizing, obviously I can't really help you with these ones in particular because I cannot try these on. My boy did say that they fit, but maybe he could have gone half a size down. I normally recommend in Air Force generally to go half a size to a full size down. I like to go full size, but I like my kicks kind of snug. So that's my preference, and I don't like the creasing. But it depends how you know like your fit, if you're a wide foot or whatever it is. So he was saying that he could probably go down half a size from his, at least half a size down from his regular size, and it's kind of what I recommend to do anyway. So if you're looking to go and pick these up, that's kind of my suggestion. If I really want to go ahead and give these a gas rating, it's kind of hard because it's an Air Force 1, but like I said, the quality is there, and I'm not going to keep narking on about the quality and this and that, right? It's a nice shoe. If you're into kicks, I feel like you're going to tell the difference. If you're not into kicks, I feel like white girl Becky's just going to look at them on the street and not know the difference. So it depends what your feelings on that is, essentially. Are some nice extras. I do rate the toothbrush. I'm going to sit them nicely. I'm just going to give them a 6.7. Hey yo guys, so thanks for running through that quick little rundown and review of the colour of the month Air Forces. Like I said, if you do like these, you can go ahead and readily pick these up. As always, let me know your thoughts and drop a comment down below. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you want to be a fly god and, you know what the heat is and what's coming out. Make sure you go ahead and do that. You're welcome to come hit me up on all other platforms. Type in @ShayCray and you're most likely to find me. But until the next one, peace, love, and I'm out. When I say like original Air Force, I mean like the ones that like saved the Air Force. If you know your shoe history. I know someone in the comments is going to be like, tell me the whole story. I know what I mean. Hopefully you know what I mean. It's a bit mad though. Like people get bare salty about shoes. Like, bare salty. Like, I just make videos because it's a vibe, bro. I'm not out here really trying to give a history lesson, but hey, to each their own. I'm gonna get my Air Forces. Where are my Air Forces? They don't have the tag in. They don't have the Air Force tag or nothing. But I also just want to like oh my days. And these are too big for me as well. Like, I just want to add that in there. These are too big for me. Like I said, these ain't my kicks, but I got a question to ask, yeah? This is an important question that I've just thought of. Do you man them smell your kicks? Because I've never done it. And I don't think I think it's a bit weird. I think it's a bit booky. Why you're out here smelling like... That's one step away from like sniffing socks or, you know, DMing for feet pics. I don't know. It's just too much on that territory for me. I've never sniffed a kick, and I feel like it's a really big thing in the shoe community. And I'm probably the weirdo who doesn't do it. But to me, it's a bit too close to that feet fetish, bro. I'm sorry. I don't mean to be calling anyone out. I just don't get it. Love to all my feet fetish people. Oh shit, I'm gonna get in trouble.